How to see the friend request you sent on Roblox. So first, you just have to go to any web browser. For me, I will use Google web browser. So you have to log in or sign in your account. If you don't have, you just have to tap sign up. So this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is to go to friends. And once you tap friends, you can see your options, friends, following. We have here followers and requests, but unfortunately, you can see that option it says friend request is sent on Roblox. But here's the thing. All you have to do is to simply remember their name or remember their username and search it right here. For example, Andrew, and then click Andrew in people. And then there will be tons of Andrew that will appear here. All you have to do is to look for your friend's username and account and then click add friend and you can see here request sent. So that's it. That means you have sent a friend request to this person or to Andrew. Now, if you tap that person's account, you will see there beside the message is the button that says pending. So that means you have to wait for that person, Andrew, to accept your friend request. Okay, so in that way, you can see this friend request is sent on someone on Roblox. Okay, so if you go here in friends, and once Andrew accepted your request, then you can see it right here. Okay, but you cannot see that option that says friend request or send request to someone, something like that. So you have to add that person's name and then view his or her account to make sure that you have added him or her to your friends list. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.